Roses, can we all agree that being bored during summer is literally the worst? Like you wake up, grab your phone, scroll for 3 hours, watch everyone else having the best summer ever, and somehow, you're even more bored than before. But here's the plot twist. You don't need a vacation. You don't need a huge friend group. And you definitely don't need to leave your house to have an iconic summer. Because some of the cutest and funniest moments happen when you're completely alone. So, if your goal is to have a summer that feels aesthetic, productive, and fun, grab your favorite drink and your prettiest notebook, and let's get into it. Number 1. Have your own mini spa. Instead of watching someone else's self-care routine, become the girl in that routine. Wash your face. Take a long shower. Shave if you want. Moisturize. Light a candle. Play relaxing music. You'll finish feeling like an expensive princess. Number 2. Make a face mask. Open your kitchen. You probably already have everything you need. Honey for soft skin. Oatmeal and yogurt for calming your face. Rice flour and plain yogurt for a brighter looking skin. It's cheap, relaxing, and honestly way more fun than scrolling. Number 3. Learn a cute hairstyle. Instead of watching girls with cute hair, become one. Practice different styles like bubble braids, heatless curls, or a slick back ponytail. You know, whatever you like on Pinterest. After a few tries, you'll have a hairstyle for every mood. 4. Create your dream Pinterest board. Make boards for your dream room, dream outfits, healthy meals, hair inspiration, study goals, and vacation ideas. It's like creating your future before it happens. 5. Go on a hot girl walk. Put on your favorite playlist and walk around your neighborhood for 30 minutes. Notice the flowers. Take pictures of the scenery. And watch the sunset. Fresh air does wonders for your brain. 6. Learn a K-pop dance. You don't have to post it online. Just learn one fun dance. Something like Hit Them, It's Me, or Iconic by Mistake. It's cardio without feeling like a workout. This way your body stays fit without you dieting. 7. Declutter your room. Take a look at your room. If it's messy, it's time to clean up. Pick up the clothes. Clear the floor. Wipe the surfaces. Throw away trash. Put things back where they belong. It may take a little time, but once it's done, your room will feel so fresh, calm, and peaceful. 8. Start a summer journal. Write anything in it. How your day felt. Your goals. Funny moments. And things you're grateful for. This keeps you balanced and grounded. Number 9. Learn how to do makeup. Learning makeup is such a fun way to stay on trend and keep your look fresh. You don't need to do a full face glam. Start light first. So go watch makeup tutorials on YouTube and try the styles you like best. Learn a softer lip combo, how to draw your natural brows, mascara hacks, and more. Tiny changes like this can make a huge difference. 10. Organize your phone. Delete blurry photos. Delete apps you never use. Change your wallpaper. Organize your icons. This way, your phone becomes healthier too. 11. Try nail care. Even without polish, your nails can still stand out. File them, push back the cuticles. Apply hand cream, and massage your fingers. Pretty hands make you feel put together. 12. Learn a new recipe. Try pancakes, fruit parfaits, smoothies, cookies, or even make your favorite comfort food. Cooking can surprisingly relax you too. 13. Read something. Not the whole book, just a chapter. Even if it's a magazine, a blog post, or a short story, just read something. Your brain will thank you for the break from endless scrolling. 14. Try a fun hobby. Things like crochet, drawing, painting, journaling, photography, or embroidery. You never know what you'll fall in love with. 15. Learn a new language. Even learning 10 words in French makes you feel smart. Imagine surprising your friends in school by speaking another language. 16. Write a letter to future you. Where do you hope to be next year? What are your biggest dreams? Write it and seal it up. Read it 1 year later and see how far you've gone in achieving them. 17. Organize your wardrobe. Take everything out. Fold your clothes. Hang your favorite pieces. Put similar items together. Try on outfits you forgot you had. It feels so satisfying, and you might even find a new favorite look. 18. Learn to smell nice. Try layering a nice lotion with body mist or perfume. Use a clean deodorant, a soft body wash, and a scent you love. Find a new scent that will keep you smelling amazing all day in school. 19. Call someone you love. Your grandma, your cousin, or your besties. Call them. Real conversations beat comment sections every time. 20. Build your dream girl routine. Imagine the girl you want to become. What time does she wake up? How does she take care of herself? How does she study, exercise, and eat? Write it all down. Then start becoming her one tiny habit at a time. And those are my 20 fun things you can do instead of doom scrolling this summer. Remember, your phone is a tool, not your whole personality. Instead of watching someone else's life, create your own. So, here's your challenge. After this video ends, don't open TikTok. Pick just one thing from today's list and actually do it. Then come back and tell me which one you tried. I seriously want to know. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our beautiful family of roses. And I'll see you in the next video.